Yeah, it is. Hey, good morning, everybody. It's day 2. That was my sister. I told you I was going to end the video, but I got tired when I got to my sister's house and passed out. So this is going to be a part 2 of the same version of the video that we're going to be heading back to Abundant. Not Abundant. I'm in the wrong church. Asbury United Methodist to finish that up. I got to go to Lowe's. But hey, here's my sister.
Good morning.
So I'm heading over to Lowe's, pick up some stuff. She's getting ready to do the virtual work stuff. So yay, let me get over to Lowe's and buy up all the conduit.
I'm so proud of him. My little brother.
Yeah, y'all see my expression, right? Anyway, let's go up here to, I should show you the dog. Her dog I'm going to kidnap when she doesn't know.
Oh my gosh. He wants my dog.
So, but let me get over here to Lowe's, and I need to buy maybe about like 17 packs of conduit. So, I don't know. We're going to finish that stuff up today. And the good thing is the cables are not the problem. So, now I know what I need to fix when I go back to Zion Baptist on Monday. Alrighty, folks. It looks like they propped the door open for me early. So, yay, we're inside. First thing we're going to do is start doing the conduit. I bought about as much as I could afford at the time, conduit from Home Depot. Hopefully that's enough. I'm gonna focus on doing a conduit right now that goes around this door frame up here. I'm gonna have it going up on that side and coming around like an upside down U, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna cut some holes inside on the decking here so I can run the cables through. Probably gonna do 3 of them, one near the computer, one in the center, one over to the side, and then do that. And then we're gonna concentrate our attention on this here and get the sound and see what we can do to get it done. I need to unbolt this so I can take this off of this stand, but let's go from there. Hey folks, so let's see what we got so far. We got the conduit here. I have all the cables at least pulled back here with a lot of slack going up and over. Actually, let me take that back. One of the cables that doesn't have a lot of slack is the one that is the extra line that's going back for the TV in the kitchen. Yeah, that's it. I have to run one more cable, but there is enough room in there. I ended up sliding, let me turn this around. I ended up sliding the booth forward, and that's exactly what I was looking for here. But I slid the booth over, drill the hole here, because I'm gonna get another piece of conduit, come down. As much as I don't want to do that, I'm crossing this electrical. Maybe they can shorten it. I don't know. But we have a hole here. I'm going to run all the cables through here. I'm going to drill another hole. And I was using this, but that's why I wanted to make a bigger hole. That's why I was looking for this. But we're going to cut a bigger hole through here, cut a hole in there, and then put jacks on the wall here so they can just plug in. So that would be a lot easier. I also made 2 holes on the table. And I'm probably going to put one more over there to run cables through. But the idea is the HDMI stuff, I might even, well see, they don't have a floorboard. I wanted to put another hole and come straight up. But I'm going to run everything through here and probably get a pass-through plate and just a brush plate and have all the HDMIs come that way. But all of the connections, I'm gonna make shorter cables and they will be terminated and just plugged in right there, and I will label them appropriately so that the cameras will be on one side, the internet will be by itself, and that's it. So no confusion there, but man, progress. So there we go, up and over. I just barely have enough conduit to run here. I got one more. I got about 4 pieces on that side. Worst case scenario, I can take another piece from over there if need be, which I probably will. No, because I got something that goes in front of that front pew up there. But anyway, I got, for the most part, all my cables are ran here. And what cable is that? Don't tell me I forgot something. because I'm seeing a spool here. What is it spool for? I did miss one. then what am I looping? I'm missing a cable. So I got to run this cable back through there as well. I thought I had that. Oh well, but like I said, I bought a ton of conduit that will wrap all the way on this wall, and then I need to get some more. I cover from the front of that booth to right there, maybe one more piece since the musicians are going to be here. But I guess I really need to put the conduit in here so nobody kicks it or does anything like that. But that's where we're at. Let me go ahead and make these holes in the wall so I can get my stuff straight. I tried to pull the decking up and took some screws out, but man, they did a very good job. And I can't pry this thing up. I just wanted to pry it up enough for me to get my push rod through there. Might need to get my crowbar. But that's what we got so far. Let's continue the work. Hey folks, a lot of time has gone by. I have wired everything up under here, pulled a couple of cables, finished all the conduit on that side, and you know, cameras are still working, TVs are still working, and pretty much put a jack here, got a pass through so that plugs in. That bottom one is for the internet. I just need to make a cable for that one. All this stuff is set up. I'm gonna reposition all of this in a better way. I think I already got a cable. I think I made an extra cable for no reason. I think that'll go to the internet. Yeah. Been dragging along just a little bit. Looks like the cable that's going to the TV is not long enough. This in the other room. So I got the two 200 foots that I'm gonna run through here again, and then I'm gonna take the cable that's here and flip it around and run it back. That will be the feed, the extra feed that's going to come back for the security that's going to be placed up under there as well too. So I got all of this here. Hopefully I got enough slack for the camera cables. If not, I might just have to get an extender. And I got a 6-foot cable. I just need some space to get it over here because all the other ones are fine. I just need this one to come down behind the pew. Let me do that. I got a couple of these other ones I got to put in. I don't think I'm going to go all the way over because I technically can't. Now that I see that box there, I can't go any further. But I'm going to run maybe one more and then take the other one and start rinse and repeat of putting it over here, which is gonna run about 3 cables, and I need to start working on the audio as well too, and then go back and re-pull those cables again. A lot more work than I thought now that I have to pull some more cables, but I need to pull back the ones that were over there and then re-pull them again to go in that other direction. Hey folks, sorry I have not did a lot of recording today because we had a lot of work done. We got a lot of things knocked out. We got the wiring done. I need to go get a coupler because the Ethernet cable, the HDMI was a little bit short for the TV. So I already got a cable. I just need an HDMI coupler to plug that in, which is good. Conduit right there in the corner. Close up all the conduits everywhere here on the floor, if I can focus on it. All that's done. Here we actually moved the sound system. We actually just thought about it. We were trying to figure out what we were going to do with the sound system, but a lot of the equipment that's in the sound we don't need anymore. So like a tape deck, a CD player, and stuff like that. So we moved this to the corner, used that for a placeholder. Let me walk around so you can actually see how it works here. You got plenty of space, got all the cables ran through here. So you have a swivel chair here, you just spin over and you can make adjustments to the sound. And then we're going to get a 15-foot 1/4 inch to connect to this speaker, and then another 60. And then the sound system will be connected. And I run the rest of these through the conduits up here to connect all the other instruments. So the conduits are here, we just gotta close them up. And I think we're good. So tomorrow, gonna be back to do some training and get everybody up to speed on their new system. And I think that's about it. Yeah, so I just gotta connect the rest of these and run that back. And I think we're good, so. I don't know what happened to my phone. Camera just went out. But anyway, excited about everything here. Excited for everybody to see. The pastor came by and saw everything, and he was kind of excited as well too. So makes me happy when we see stuff like that. So we'll be back tomorrow. I'm gonna try and edit this tonight, or I might just lump it all together because I'm tired. But anyway, we'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey folks, good morning. This is day 3. We're gonna be doing training today, but guess what?